natin ang nakuha ko sa Amazon, guys. Ayan yung Whole Foods Market. Kasi may kinuha ko sa Amazon eh. Na hindi ko siya, kulang yung missing yung parts kaya sinauli ko. Pwede siya
Does
dito
that
i-drop
package say anything?
Park here, no. It's okay to park here. So, andito na tayo, guys, sa Whole Foods. Pasok tayo sa loob. Ito yung isa sa uli natin sa Amazon. Ito tayo sa Whole Foods. There's Christina. You feel better now, babe?
I guess.
May sakit siya eh.
Where's the soda?
Hindi siya nakapasok sa school. Where is it? That one? Oh, okay. Nice little guys. Yeah. Okay.
So we're not gonna buy anything.
Oh, that one is really nice.
Ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Hi. Today we're gonna go to Costco and we're gonna get groceries.
Are you okay, babe? Back there?
Yeah.
She's eating her Doritos. Yan ang paborito niya. Don't eat all of them. You know, that's not healthy.
No.
Okay. So, we're almost here at Costco, guys. Check natin kung hanggang saan naabot ang ating $150 na budget sa grocery for 1 week. For 3 people. So guys, tapos na kaming mag-Costco. Hindi na lang ako nag-video doon. Ayan yung bata, still not feeling well. She says she's tired. Nanghingi siya ng ano eh, nanghingi siya ng what did you ask from Costco, babe?
I asked for the s'mores.
S'mores, pero sabi ko sa kanya, ko na lang siya ng pagdating sa bahay ng salmon. That's her favorite fish. Hello guys, nasa bahay na tayo. Ito yung mga naabot ng $150 na budget natin sa grocery for this week. Show them, Christina, what we got from Costco.
We got this Nutella packet. We got this skinny pop.
Nutella pack for ano? Mga $14 yata to.
Nutella and we got the skinny pop.
Ito yung gusto niya, is seaweed.
Seaweed.
Ito yung gusto niya.
And then
Gusto niya yan.
we got some eggs. Over here some eggs.
We have some eggs here, guys. We can't show you that.
And then we got me, avocado.
We have this one.
Yeah, we have
Nasa mga ano yata to, almost $7.
have two.
Ito ang kinuha ko. May ano tayo, salmon. $22, almost 23. Paborito to ni Christina, kaya binibilhan ko siya. Sabi niya, Mami, I want ice cream. Sabi ko, no, it's almost dinner time. Magluto na lang tayo ng salmon pagdating sa bahay. Tsaka ito guys, olive oil. Nasa $27 yata to. I'm not sure. And we have s'mores. Ito mga binibili ko guys, mga sa kanya lang naman to yung mga stock niya para sa school. At saka asparagus. Organic. Masarap to siya. Ay, ewan ko. Gusto ko to eh. It's very healthy na din. At saka meron tayong meat. Pork chop. Nasa mga almost $19. So guys, yun lang abot ng ating $150 sa Costco. Grabe guys, no, ang mahal. Kung sa Pilipinas, magkano na ba yun? Magkano ba yung $150 sa Pilipinas? We have coconut water guys, oh. Ilang piraso ba to? Mga 9 ano yata to? 9 na piraso na coconut water. Nasa mga, ano to siya, $21. So, ito lang naabot ng ating $150 guys na budget for the week sa grocery. Grabe no? Ang mahal na talaga. Kasi nag-grocery kami dito guys. Ano siya eh. Parang every week. Kasi pag sahod ko, bumibili din ako. Tapos pag sahod ng asawa ko, bumibili din siya ng grocery. Parang ganun ang setup namin sa bahay. How do you like it, be? Kinain mo yung ano? You like it?
Yeah. But it kind of smells like Play-Doh.
Smells like what?
Play-Doh.
Smells like Play-Doh.
Yeah, it smells like Play-Doh.
Ito yun guys, oh. Lagi yun ang sila sabi na, Mommy, I want s'mores. Wala siya. Wala ang laman nito. S'mores bar, 5 picks. Marshmallow ba yan sa loob eh? Parang may marshmallow yata to sa loob. So, ayan na guys. Magluluto na tayo ng salmon. Para kay Christina. Ano to siya guys? Walang ano ba? Walang bones. Fresh Atlantic salmon. Farm raised siya. So, nire-rinse ko muna to bago ko siya prituhin. Pero nakaugalian ko na to guys na mag-rinse muna. Kahit ano, kahit meat. Pero malinis naman na to. Kasi pinapak nila. Nilinisan na nila to. So, lutuin ko siya lahat. Pag ang dinner niya is isda, marami siyang makain. Lagyan muna natin ng asin. Abot pa to sa kanya bukas kasi siya lang naman ang kakain nito. Hindi man ako nakain nito. So, yan guys, malapit na siyang maluto. So, ito yung ginagawa niya palagi pag wala siyang school. Hindi naman palagi, pag ano lang, pag board siya. Kasi itong tablet na to, yun yung regalo namin sana sa birthday niya. Pero, yung old tablet niya kasi pinapadala ko sa Pilipinas. Kaya binigay na namin ng mas maaga. Ang birthday niya sa December 18 pa eh. Kaya ayan, ginagamit na niya. Sa umpisa sabi niya, Mami, ayoko ng bagong tablet. Sabi niya, gusto daw yung luma kasi nandun yung mga paborito niyang laro. Pero hindi niya alam na pwedeng i-transfer. So, kaya ayun, nagustuhan niya. How's the fish, babe?
Go.
You like it? Lutuin pala ito. So, nagluto naman ako ng pork chop, guys, para bukas na din yun. Kasi bukas mag-ano kami, magsisimba kami bukas. Ayoko lang magluto yun. Kasi pag magluto ako dito, niluto ko lahat, tapos lagay lang sa process, initin na lang. Kasi pag magluto ka, every meal, naku, hirap. Hindi ba uso dito yung magluto ka kanakain? Kaya may mga trabaho yung mga tao. O yan ang style ko. Nilutuan ko na siya hanggang good for 2 days na. Do you like it? There's no bones, huh? Is there bones in it?
It's salmon, Mom.
There's no bones, right?
Yeah.
Ayan, nagkakamay siya. Gusto niya magkamay. She said she's a Filipino.
I am.
Using your hands while eating? That makes you a Filipino?
Uh-huh.
Nabubuhay na to siya sa Pilipinas guys. Kinakain niya siya ng rice at saka fish. Pero hindi to siya everyday kumakain ng rice. Pwede din siya walang rice. Ako lang naman ng yung sanay tayo sa rice ba, para mahihina tayo na walang rice. Gusto niyang pagkaluto niyan, crunchy. Yung parang binabrown ko siya. Ganyan ang pagkaluto na gusto niya. Maubos niya yan.
I'm eating salmon. Mom, look, I made a new type of sushi.
Sushi rice. Sushi, salmon, and rice.
Yeah.
Okay, magluluto na ako ng pork chop.
My dad. For the classic, so mine is Pikachu.
Oh, Ditto is a classic.
No, like I enjoy main characters.
Main characters. I got it. Well, Pikachu's definitely the main character. No doubt about that.
Same with Chase.
And I think everybody loves Pikachu. Actually, I don't know anybody that doesn't like Pikachu.
I know, right?
Uh-oh. We found the person.
Mom never watched Pokemon, so she doesn't know.
I'm not a baby.
That's not much of a baby.
Who is a baby?
That's actually for grown-ups, too. A lot of grown-ups love Pokemon. What do you think?
Uh-huh.
You love Pokemon, babe?
No. Dad, I dare you to show your face in this video. Actually, if this video gets 100 likes, Dad will reveal his face in the next video. Mom, can I have more rice?
You want more rice?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Nakadalawang ano na siya. Basta fit ang ulan niya. Gusto niya yan.
Inner conflict that I resign my post
That's
as
their nightly
announcer.
routine.
As much as I would like to entertain the masses, the brigade must go. There are others who need our help. I bid you adieu. Bismarck took a bow. As a
Nocturnal?
reward, au revoir, adios, arrivederci. Jerry hopped to his side. Maybe I should take over.
Maybe I could.
Maybe I could take over. Excusez-moi, said the sugar glider.
Ano kasi siya guys eh, she's good in reading. So, pinapractice namin siya.
Don't be skill mate. You could not
mag-read
be the
ba ng
maestro.
advanced na
Only
book.
I possess the rare talent.
Like grade 2 siya ngayon.
With that
Ang
rare
giniread
talent.
niya na book
With the
is ano
flick
na,
of his paw, Bismarck
grade
dismissed
4.
the Jerboas.
Or grade 3 pala.
Solamente yo. Oh well,
So there
I
are new
just
words
thought.
there na hindi niya
You
pa
thought
alam.
wrong,
Na
mon ami.
tinuturuan namin siya.
Jerry said Don.
Time check tayo guys. It's 11 o'clock in the evening. Ayan na si Christina. Ano na siya for bed. Okay lang sa akin na matagal siya matulog pag weekends. Kasi wala naman siyang pasok kinabukasan. Bago siya matulog, sabi ko manood muna siya ng God's story.
Taking with them many riches from Egypt, and they took Joseph's bones as they had promised him many years before. But after they had gone, Pharaoh
Say good night to them.
Good night.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Don't forget to pray, okay?
Robbie, say bye-bye too.
What's your favorite toy, Robbie?
Robbie.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.